Okay, now we're talking about the electric circuits. This is a real circuit. It has two wires and it has a battery and it has a switch and a lamp. The lamp it works by the two wires, and we put here something that makes it better, look better. It's colorful, and here's the battery, and we have copper, and it's a conductor to let the electricity flow through the circuits. And here it works. And now I want to talk to you and tell you what makes circuits work. Circuits need to be complete for them to work properly. This means that the wires must go in a full loop around from the power source and back again. Circuits that are not complete will not work. Circuits that are not complete will not work because the electricity cannot travel around them properly. None of these circuits are complete, so none of them will work. So we see in this page, a power source can be either cells, batteries, or mains. Remember that mains electricity is much more powerful than batteries and can be very dangerous. Do not mess around with electric mains. If you are using more than one cell in a circuit, remember that they need to be connected so that they are all facing the same direction in the circuit. The positive dummy end of one cell should connect to the negative flat end of the next. Like here we get two batteries, and if you put the positive to the negative, it will work. Positive to positive or negative to negative, it will not work. It has to be opposite sides.
Conductors and insulators. Some materials will allow electricity to travel through them. We call this materials conductors. The piece of metal in the circuit allows electricity to travel through it, so the bulb lights up. Other materials do not allow electricity to pass through them. We call these materials insulators. There are lots of different insulators, such as plastic, rubber, or glass. The plastic does not allow electricity through, so the bulb does not light up. Some wires have a plastic coating. In fact, the wires used in class probably to do. The copper is an conductor and carries electricity. The plastic is an insulator and stops electricity from traveling into other objects that touch the wires. Metals like steel, copper, iron, gold, and silver are very good conductors. Graphite, which is a type of carbon,
Graphite,
which is a type of carbon, also conducts electricity, but most conductors are metals.
where can we see the graphite? Give me an example. Excellent.
Graphite is what pencil lead is made from.
Now all about switches. What about switches? Switches allow you to make or break a circuit. When a switch is in the on position, the circuit is complete. When the switch is in the off position, we say the circuit is broken. Switches come in all shapes and sizes, and there are different types. Two types you might use are push switch and toggle switch. Switches are used in lots of things that use electricity so that they can be controlled. The buttons on things like calculators, computers, keyboards are just switches. Take a look around your home or classroom and see how many things you can find to be switches. Adding more cells in a series in a line to a circuit will make the bulbs glow brighter because there is more electric power. But if you add too many cells, the bulbs could burn out. Changing circuits. You can also change a circuit by changing the length of a connecting wire. As the wire gets longer, the bulbs get dimmer. Making the wire shorter makes the bulbs get brighter. There are lots
Brighter.
of ways to change circuits. Give it a try. You should make sure to only change one thing at a time so that it is a fair test. Circuit diagram. When you want to draw a circuit, you can use circuit symbols to represent different components. Each component symbol, the symbols are the same for everyone so that people can read each other's diagram. Using circuit symbols, you can draw circuit diagrams to represent any circuit. Circuit diagrams are used for drawing circuits in a way that anyone can understand. Here are symbols from some of the components you may know and use. Try to learn these circuit symbols. The bulb is like a circle and an X.
You will learn it the next lesson.
Once you know and remember the different circuit symbols, you can build circuits from circuit diagrams that other people have drawn. Okay, now I want to share with you a quiz.
Before the quiz, can you please end this presentation?
Okay.
Say your names.
I'm Abdullah Am and Yusuf Bakri, and we enjoyed to tell you this
Thank you.
information about circuits.
Thank you. We really enjoyed it so much.